So you may have heard this in the news. If not, I wanted to make sure you see a very short example of why AI is very dangerous and we cannot be trusting it. And I'm rather upset that this was rolled out as like if you Google something, you get something like this now. Because while this is okay for most things, it's missing some pretty important information on CPR for a baby here. And if you're Googling this, you're wanting to get the right information, right? So here it's telling you if you give two breaths and the breath and the chest does not rise, it gives you some instructions telling you that there may be a blockage in the airway. If you're looking at what the AI tells you right here, you're going to miss that completely and you're not going to know what to do, right? So it's kind of cut out vital information in this case here. I wouldn't say it's inaccurate here, but it's just not very clear. And then like, how many breaths am I doing? You know, so I'm doing rescue breaths, but how many? That's up above. So it's kind of confusing. So this thing is not a person. It's not designing things how a person would be designing it. And so like some of the visual flow might not be good for getting information quickly. Other times it's just telling you straight up wrong things. Like here it was actually correct, which is good. But I've seen it tell people to do things like measuring the movement of tectonic plates in the classroom, which is like one of the most funny things I could imagine a teacher trying to do. Um, so it's going to tell you to do things that are, if not outright impossible, it's going to just not be thorough or correct. And when that's like something important like this, we want to make sure that we're not pushing AI out earlier than it's ready because I don't think that this is quite ready. And then considering that it's just off about things, um, in a situation like this, we can't have that. Like any small amount of error and can in some situations be very dangerous.